Next, let's go over how to customize your settings. So from the Settings tab, we're going to go over to Account Settings here on the left-hand side. Here you can upload a profile photo, you can change your username, you can add your phone number, change your time zone, your language, your date format, time format, currency, and your distance unit. And if you scroll all the way down, you can delete your account if you ever need to delete your account permanently. Next, we'll go over to the left-hand side and go into notification settings. Here you can choose how you want to receive notifications, either your email or your phone number. You can adjust this for your bookings, your messages, and your Bookme news and updates. You can toggle on email and SMS to change those preferences. Next, you can update your security settings. To change your email, you'll enter in your current email, type in the new email, and your password to confirm those changes. To change your password, select Change Password over here. You'll type in your current password, the new password, and then confirming your new password. A reminder, these passwords have to be at least 8 characters, include 1 special character, 1 uppercase and lowercase character, 1 number, and the passwords have to match. Next on the left-hand side is where you can connect your calendars. Here you can connect your Google Calendar, Apple Calendar, and Microsoft Outlook Calendar. Next, we have payment integrations. You have the default Bookme payment processor here, but you can also connect other options if those work for you too. Next, you can manage your payout. To get paid for your services, you can select payout method here. Just click on Add Payout Method, and then you have the option for bank account as well as other different options here. And lastly, you have your subscription tab here. This is where you manage your subscription plan. This is going to show your current plan. You see it's on the free trial. If you want to change that, you select Change Plan. And it's going to give you your options to upgrade to. Any past invoices or charges are also going to show up here in your transaction history. And that's it. That's all of your settings for Bookme.